Good evening, I'm Samantha Newssby, and this is Global Pulse News. Tonight, we bring you positive developments from Jamaica, where Montego Bay is showing strong signs of recovery following the devastating impact of Hurricane Melissa. Just months after Hurricane Melissa, one of the most powerful storms to ever hit Jamaica, the coastal city of Montego Bay is making notable strides toward normalcy. The president of the Montego Bay Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Jason Russell, reports that the majority of businesses are now open and operational. He says the progress, compared with the immediate aftermath of the storm, is quite impressive. While vital services such as telecommunications, power, water supply, and road networks have been largely restored, there are continuing challenges affecting the full rebound. Mr. Russell highlights that staffing shortages remain an issue. Many workers are still coping with displacement, trauma, or housing losses from the hurricane, meaning some businesses are open but still short-staffed. To support the recovery, local leaders have organized economic fairs and job retraining initiatives, helping residents obtain essential documents and find employment opportunities. Despite these hurdles, Montego Bay's business leaders are optimistic. They point to the city's past resilience, notably its recovery after the COVID-19 pandemic, and believe the tourism sector will bounce back stronger than ever. This optimism is echoed across Jamaica's tourism hubs, where cruise ships have returned to port, small businesses are welcoming visitors again, and the wider hospitality industry continues its rebound. Local stakeholders underscore that Montego Bay, a cornerstone of Jamaica's economy, is functioning at a high level, with daily life returning even as rebuild efforts continue. Behind every headline are the stories of families and workers rebuilding their lives. While infrastructure has largely returned, emotional and economic recovery is ongoing, and the spirit of resilience remains strong. From Montego Bay and across Jamaica, rebuilding continues, stronger, together, and with community at the heart of recovery. As we say in Jamaica, we little, but we Talawa. That's the latest here on Global Pulse News. I'm Samantha Newssby, bringing you the headlines that matter. One love.